Hi friends, happy Tuesday. So we're still doing multiplying by 10. Today we'll do some skip counting, our multiples of 10, and then I'll do a little multiplication with you, and then you'll work on a worksheet. So let's get started, friends. So remember, when we skip count by a number or we find the multiples of a number, we always start with that number. So in this case, we're starting with the number 10. Because we're skip counting and we're finding the multiples and we're multiplying by 10. So I want everybody to skip count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it again. One more time. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, friends, so when you're multiplying by 10, I told you yesterday there was a little secret, and that all you have to do is add 0. Well, what I mean by that is, if I have the number 2 times 10, I'm going to bring over my 2, and I'm going to bring over my 0. And what did I get as my answer? 20. 2 times 10 is 20. It's super easy. That's the trick. Now, if you don't believe me, you could say, Miss Drywa, I don't believe you whatsoever. Well, I'm going to prove it to you. If we do all the methods that we've been using, so let's start with equal groups. So my first number tells me how many groups I'm going to need to make. So 2. So I make 2 groups. Right? And now I'm going to skip count by 10 on these 2 groups. I could put 10 in each group, but I'm still going to skip count. So I'm going to say 10, 20. So 2 times 10 equals 20. Same answer I got before with my little trick. And if we even try one more time, and we skip count by 10 on my 2, right? So 10, 20. That's it. All I do is take this number and add a 0 to it when I multiply by 10. So I take my 2, there's my 2, and I add a 0. That's it, friends. It's super easy. 10s are probably going to be your favorite number to multiply by, besides 1 and 0. And then 11s are, easy too. We'll learn about them next week. So, same thing here, friends. Just to prove it to you, if we set it up like this, because 2 times 10 is actually the same exact thing as 10 times 2. It does not matter. Like in addition, it doesn't matter if the bigger number is on top or the smaller number. It doesn't matter. Same thing with multiplication. So, if I have my number, so we have 2 down here, and 2 is going to multiply by both digits. So I start my 1's place. So 0 times 2, we know any number times 0 is always going to equal 0. And then I do 2 times 1 or 1 times 2, and I get either 2, or you could do 1, 2. Same thing, friends. If I'm multiplying 10 by another number, I take that other number, so in this case the 2, and I add a 0. So there's my 2, I add my 0, 20. Ready? Same thing here. 5 times 10. Well, ding, ding, ding. Miss Drywa just told us if we're multiplying by 10, all we have to do is take that other number. So the other number, which is 5, and add a 0. 5 times 10 equals 50. Easy peasy, friends. All right. So today, let me make myself bigger. There. So today we're not really focusing on multiplication just yet. We're still going to do multiples of 10 today, but I wanted to give you a little introduction, get you a little familiarized with it, because tomorrow we are going to start multiplying. I think you're really going to find tens to be super easy, friends. I know you will. You're all super smart, and with our little trick, makes it that much easier. All right, friends, so have a great day. Bye.